Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi Rai. I teach science in GD Goenka Public School, Vasant Kunj. I have been teaching class 10 for the last 25 years. I'm here to share some important tips for the upcoming CBSE board exam scheduled for 2nd of March 2024. Students, when you are revising for your science board exam starting from now onwards, we have to keep in mind not to miss studying every single page of your textbook NCERT, because your questions are going to be framed from the content given in the NCERT textbook. While you're revising, remember to solve all the in-text as well as questions given at the end of the chapter. Majority of the times, the questions are picked up direct from the NCERT, which students miss while preparing. Moreover, there are a lot of activities and experiments given in the textbook, and a lot of questions are framed using the information given in the activities. So do lay emphasis of understanding every activity mentioned in the textbook. As you are very much aware that the CBSE pattern of the paper has changed, it's more based on your comprehension and understanding of the concepts rather than rote learning. So make sure you understand every concept while you're revising. Please prepare short notes in the form of mind maps or flow charts, which will help you revise quickly before the exam, and making sure that you don't miss on any concept before the exam. Diagrams, as you are aware, are very, very important for the science exam. Not only to draw and label, but to be ready to take any question based on the diagram is also very important. So again comes the concept learning and understanding of the diagram that is being portrayed. When coming to the day of the exam, yes, do not keep reading till the last minute. Give your brain a relaxing time. Good breakfast, healthy breakfast is important, because many times students are too panicked and they miss on their breakfast. And in the exam, then they have to panic because of lack of nutrients. So take a healthy breakfast, take a break, relax, and then go and attempt the paper. While you're attempting, remember to break your answer into points. And yes, when you're answering, the keywords are very, very important. And definitely, the keywords are from the NCERT textbook. So keep underlining while you're writing so that the examiner is able to spot all the keywords and give you the full marks. Always remember, when a question is being answered, you are keeping in mind the word limit to which you are answering. Sometimes students just keep answering too long for a 1 marker or 2 marker, and then the time management becomes a problem towards the end of the exam. So time management is always important while answering exam. And for that, you can be practicing by attempting sample papers before the exam. Finally, you have to keep in mind that the presentation is what makes your paper a beautiful one, that the examiner is forced to give you full marks in every answer. Always break the answer in points, leave one line after attempting every question, and do not be talking about the information not asked. Just to be crisp and to the point when answering any question. I hope that you all are well prepared and do your best in the exam. Best of luck.